Hey everybody, let's go over our trades for today, Monday, August 3rd. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Middle of summer here, so not a whole lot of action. We did have very little economic news this morning. Was June construction spending, another terrible economic data point. It did increase, but it increased by 0.1%. The estimates were for a positive 0.6%. So a really big miss there. June construction spending, construction. That was really the leader of, not the leader, but it was a real big beneficiary when housing was really good, when the economy was really good in the 90s and up through the early 2000s, or actually into the mid 2000s. But once the financial crisis hit, as you know, the economy got weak, and we've been saying all along, QE did nothing but stabilize the economy. We should be having the economy should be rocking and rolling. Inflation should be, out of sight, where the Fed is worried about it, and possibly even have been raised rates by now, but they haven't. Inflation's under 2%, and the economy's just not growing. The economy's on pace to grow at less than 2% for all of 2015. Imagine if interest rates were normalized, what the economy was doing would be doing. But anyway, let's get to our trades. We had 5 trades, lost 0.2 pips. We actually made on 4 of the trades, but the one trade hit us hard, which wiped out our gain. So basically finished flat on the 5 trades. First one you're looking at here is US dollar, Canadian dollar. We were long this 1.29725. Picked up 64.8 pips, adjusted for size, 6.4 pips. Next one was a full scalp on US dollar, Swiss franc. We were short this 0.96774. It was having trouble coming in. It finally did come in a little harder after we covered, but we picked up a quick 2.8 pips. Again, that's a full scalp, full size scalp. So full size scalps, as you know, looking to grab whatever you can without risking a whole lot. Next trade is Euro New Zealand dollar. This is the one that pinched us hard. We were short this 1.65529. We got all 20% of our normal size that we wanted, and it just never. You can see here, it just started to. It broke out of this little consolidation range, and when it started to consolidate again, it looked like maybe it could break down out of that consolidation range and come in. Maybe we could break even. Maybe we can, maybe even make some money on it. The algorithm was thinking the same thing, but it surprised everybody and continued to rally, stopping us out with 139.6 pip loss, adjusted for size, 27.9 pips. Euro Aussie, we were long this 1.50675. This was another one that we had all 20% of. It went against us right off the bat, but settled in. We were risking more than that. It settled in, consolidated, and then broke up, and then really started to run hard. Picked up 79.9 pips, or adjusted for size, 15.9. It looked like it was going to run even harder than that, but just fizzled out on it. Pound yen. This was another one that we had 20% of our normal size. We were long this 193.829. Our target was about 194.70, but since we were heading to bed last night, and knowing that we're not fans of the figure, we just put it out there to grab 13.2 pips. We put it out there 193.96, got filled 961, 13.2 pips, just for size 2.6. You can see what it did. It ran up to about 194.23, 24 area before pulling back. So that's it. We'll wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If you're waiting for any signals, as soon as they come, they'll be coming your way. And we'll be back at it tonight and tomorrow. Assuming we get some action, we'll do another video. Have a great rest of your day.